I got a package. And I opened it. And inside of it, it's now empty. But it came with 2 brand new Tangles, which I ordered from this little website that gave you 2 random ones. And so I got these ones. And it's interesting because they come with a little keychain thing. So in the sense, that's actually pretty cool. I think they came from like China. So I've never seen them with these things on them, with keychain loops on them, which, I mean, I guess you could always add one onto it, but then again, I've never thought to, so I wonder if it'll even hook like that. No, it won't stay. Okay, yep, got it. Sweet. So you can carry it on like your purse, your backpack, whatever. Whoa, this feels so weird. And you can do it like that, back up. So, in a way, yeah, there we go. It's like a double loop fidget keychain. It's weird because they're like, not like the regular Tangles, they're like knockoff almost, but it's cool. Anyways, this is the 2 I got. They're identical. So anyways, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, thanks.